It's Jerry Norton, and on today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to get your first deal in 10 days for free. Now, most of you are not going to do what I'm going to teach on this video because one, you're too lazy because this is going to take some work. And number two, you're afraid of rejection. You have to call and talk to people. So if you're unwilling to do those two things, this won't work for you. For those of you though that want to get your first deal that you can make $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 on in 10 days, let me outline it for you. I'm going to show you 5 steps and you have to follow them exactly how I show it. Okay, step number 1 is to download a list of agents in your area. And you can do this for free. If you go to propwire.com, you're going to go to the lead drop-down menu and you're going to pick on market active properties for sale. And then you're going to download that list. In that list, you're going to have all kinds of information. What you're looking for there is the agent's contact info and phone number. Step 2 is you're going to text each one of those agents and you're going to say, I'm looking to buy a house in this metro area. Please call me. Now, it's very important you follow this step. You are not going to outbound that agent. You could do that. There's nothing wrong with that. But here's what we found. If you can get the agent calling you, it's way more effective because they're going to call you at a time when they're available. They're not, in the line at the grocery store picking their kid up from school. It's not intrusive when you outbound and call them. They're calling you. And the way that we design this text, looking to buy a house, call me. I don't say I'm a cash buyer. I don't say I'm an investor. I don't say I'm looking for a deal. I say I'm looking to buy a house. You want them thinking that you are a retail buyer and that they're possibly going to pick up a buyer's commission for showing and selling a house. Now, you're probably going to need to text about 25 agents a day because we want to have about 15 conversations a day. So if you text, about 25 agents in a day, you're probably going to get calls from about 15 of those agents. Step 3 is when they finally inbound you, hopefully we're talking about 15 of these, when they inbound call you, now you're going to have that conversation where you're going to say to that agent, hey, I'm looking for a property that's in original condition or needs a lot of work. Me and my investor, cash buyer, are looking for a deal by the end of the month, and we're having a hard time finding properties on the MLS. Everything I just said there is very strategic. They're calling you. You're now revealing to them that you're looking for a deal that you can fix up to possibly sell or rent. And it needs to be something that's not on the MLS. Now, in that conversation, you're going to say to them, looking for something in original condition, looking for something that needs a lot of work, and I'm looking for something that's off market. And then you're going to ask them, do you know of a seller looking for a cash offer on a property that needs fixed up? And then you're going to ask that agent, do you know of any other agents in your office that might have something like this? Okay, now you're tapping into the office. All real estate offices network with each other, brokerages, they network with each other. And so now you're tapping into that as well. Now, also in this conversation, you're going to say to them, look, when you sit down on appointment with a seller for a possible listing, if that property fits what I just described here, then call me and I'll present a cash offer to your seller and possibly not have to list it and go on market. And by the way, I'll pay the commissions. Now, what you'll find is that a lot of times they either have one that they're working with a seller on, they haven't listed it yet, or they know of somebody in the office, or they'll be willing to reach out to the other agents in their office and see if they have anything. Okay, now step 4 is after you have that conversation, immediately you're going to follow up with that agent by sending them a text with your information. And you're going to give them instructions in that text. You're going to say, save my number as Jerry Cash Buyer. And you're going to remind them, hey, the next time you go on appointment or if you hear about something that's off market, let me know. Happy to pay a commission, looking for a deal. Okay, now step 5 is going to be ongoing follow-up every 10 days. Now, when you do those follow-ups every 10 days, you're going to send text, but you're also going to call. Don't just send text. Maybe send a text this time, a call next time, a text this time, a call next time. Maybe rotate it. It's fine to send text, but it's really good to get them back on the phone, go back through what you're looking for. Okay, now like I said, the magic here, the secret ingredient to this is consistency and volume. You want to have 15 of these conversations a day following this 5-step process. So in 10 days, that's going to be 150 conversations with agents. Now, I find that in about 100, you can usually get a deal. Somewhere between one, your first call, and 100 of these conversations, you can get a deal. Someone's going to have a deal for you where you can get it at a discount and wholesale it for a profit. Now, I say 150 gives you another 50 buffer there, so no one can say to me, Jerry, it doesn't work. You know, if you're doing this in 10 days, 15 a day, you're having 150 quality conversations. My promise to you is that you should be able to get a deal out of that. And let's look at, guys, 10 days, absolutely free. How long does this take? It's going to take you a couple hours a day probably to get through all of that. But if you're willing to do that and be consistent, then there is money in these leads. Agents are spending all their time out there spending money on marketing, going on appointment. They know all these other people. If each of these 150 agents knows 150 people, you're getting now to thousands by nature of leveraging these agents and teaching them how to bird dog for you. Now, how big can this be? I've got students, Hugh Boy, he's doing $1.5 million a year just following this exact model right here. He's just scaled it and perfected it. So this literally can be your first deal, but it could also be 100 deals a year or $1 million a year business, depending on how well you implement this. But this right here, what I just outlined on the whiteboard right here, this 5-step process, this is your fastest way to getting your first deal in 10 days or less. Now, I've got scripts for you. I've got processes for you. I've got everything that you need to really do this agent model well. I'll give those to you for free. Just go to agentofferscripts.com to download that. That'll help you really understand how to implement everything here we just talked about. Again, totally free. Go to agentofferscripts.com. Okay, so now let me explain the process once an agent has a lead for you. Now remember, not all leads equal deals. You're going to have to do what we call discovery. And in that discovery, remember, there are 4 pillars of motivation that we're looking for. So I'm going to share with you some prompts now and some questions to ask that agent to uncover if this is a good situation, if this is a good opportunity to get a discounted property. Okay, so first is distress. What's going on in the seller's life that would cause them to possibly be open to taking a discounted price? So you can ask, can you tell me what's going on with this one? Okay, can you tell me about what's going on here? Why is the seller looking to sell? You're trying to get that agent now to share with you information that would help you understand if there's motivation here. Second question is, how soon is the seller looking to sell? That's going to let us know if there's urgency, if this is something that they want to do ASAP, if this is right now. That's going to help us understand more how motivated the seller is. The third question here is around conditions. You're going to ask that agent, how much work do you think it needs? And that agent's going to reveal that to you. Or another thing you can ask them is, can you send me pictures of the property that you have in your phone right now? Just text those to me right now, because all agents take pictures while they're at these properties. And then the fourth question here in our pillars of motivation is around price. What offers have you turned down so far? Great question to try to uncover what the seller said no to, so that we have an idea about what that floor is, what the bottom is right now. You can ask further questions like, well, what price do you think the seller would be willing to take right now, as is, close quickly, no inspection, no appraisal, no financing? What kind of number do you think the seller would take for that? And then what you're going to do is you're going to lead this into a verbal conversation. What we typically do is we'll tell that agent, okay, what I need you to do for me to get this number at that price is I need you to write up the offer, get the seller to sign it at that number, and then send it to me for the final signature, and then we'll sign it and be under contract. Now that's much better than you sign, put it in front of the seller, and get the seller to sign final. You want the agent to get the seller to agree to that price, and then you sign as the last signature. Once your 5-step process to generate a lead happens, these are the 5 questions for discovery. Obviously, now you're going to want to analyze the property to get to your offer price. I put together a great tool. It's an instant offer calculator. It'll tell you exactly what price you need to offer to build in your wholesale fee. No comping, no estimating repairs. It's really just takes the average as is value, and it runs an algorithm to tell you exactly what that price is. I'll give that to you for free, and I'll have a video here in the description below that'll show you how to use that calculator to get to your offers. And that's exactly what we do. We pull that up, we put the address in, it tells us exactly the number. We go through the discovery right here. We anchor low. We try to negotiate up to our bottom line price, the max allowable offer, and then we lock that deal up. We get the agent to send the contract, do the paperwork for us. What's beautiful, by the way, about all of this is the agents are doing all of the negotiation with the seller, not you. You're just getting that agent to bring you those leads off market. But this, what I just outlined here, this is how you get your first deal in 10 days. All of this costs you absolutely nothing, just your time and some effort to get to that one deal that's going to make you $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. If you'd like to see a video where I show something very similar, where you're going directly to sellers, now you're not working through agents, it's going to cost you about $500. Fairly similar process. I'll just show you a different way to do it. If you're interested in that, leave a comment and say, yes, Jerry, show me how to do the same thing in 10 days for $500 direct to seller, and I'll drop that video for you. If this was helpful, leave a comment and say, Jerry, you're a flipping genius, and I'll see you on the next video.